Hello, I am Jubanayan Saikia, the co-founder of a brand called IndiMeat. I am from Assam, Northeast India. The idea how it came to my mind was during 2021 when I was suffering from COVID and my relatives and my neighbors were giving raw meat in outside of my door where I was living. And that point of time, the protein intake was highly recommended by the doctors. And while seeing in the news, I also come to know that all the health workers are also suffering to get ready to eat meat-based product or something like that, which is not readily available to carry and consume. Apart from that, I also heard like that farmers are selling their poultry for rupees 20 and 30. Since during the lockdown, there was no vehicle mobility for the livestock feed initially. Before 2021, we also, piggery farm, we got hit by a virus called African swine fever. We lost most of our animals. So that's how the journey from farmer to an entrepreneur came. And after surviving from COVID, it was always in my mind that why shouldn't we do something for the farmers, for the health enthusiasts, for the patients, so that they can have a easily ready to eat meat-based protein product. So that's how the IndiMeat, the meat-based protein bar concept came to my mind. And when I was discussing with my co-founder, Ms. Saikia, she also agreed that should go ahead with something novel product which is not there in the market so far and which can benefit the majority of the crowd, also by benefiting the farmers, where we are connecting the farmers to the government slaughterhouses so that they can get the maximum USP. Also the farmers who are producing herbs, they are getting connected to the government markets where they are getting the MSP, along with the other channel partners like logistic partners related to the farmers. They are also getting benefited to enhance their livelihood. So this is what we are doing so far, and we are thankful to manage that we have got a platform to interact with various startups with their various ideas. So many things are minded, okay, let us move ahead in this direction. With our own idea, we have got lots of add-on in manage, and we have got lots of guest lecturers also who has trained us how to prepare for finance, how to prepare your business model, how to prepare your business canvas model. So we are very much thankful for them. So now we are working in an idea so that it will be a win-win situation for all the people who are related to the agri field as well as for us. So we are very much thankful for Manage. Thank you for getting us connected here with all the knowledge and the connection. We are looking forward to move ahead in our life. Thank you.